Have you seen the Arsenal away kit? If you haven't, take a look. Red, black, white, green. A representation of African international Arsenal supporters. If you come from Africa, this is a jersey that has been designed to appreciate you who is an African Arsenal supporter. Yes. Now, take a pause. I've been telling you Arsenal is the only big team. All these other teams are stones. Now, let me explain why that phrase. Listen. It is only international clubs, big clubs, worldwide clubs that appreciate it is international worldwide supporters. The other time, Arsenal did a jersey to represent Jamaican supporters. Now it is African supporters, which means Arsenal understands that it is the only big team. Not all these other small teams. Now, take a look at the jersey. Look at the colors. Take a look at my flag. This is a Kenyan flag. Look at the similarities. Look at them. Now, take a look at the jersey. Take a look at your African flag. Look at the similarities. See, if you thought your club was bigger, I want you to take a pause. Ask yourself a question. Why hasn't it yet represented you who is international? It is because it is small. It is because it is stones. Yes. Teams like Arsenal who understand the support that they have worldwide, they appreciate all of us. Yes. This coming season, and by the way, this coming season, we are carrying every cup that we are going to play at. Yes, every cup. This coming season, I want all of you guys, please, we can accommodate all of you that are not supporting Arsenal. Come. We are ready to accommodate all of you. And if you don't want to come, stay where you are on those small clubs. Yes, those stone clubs. Because Arsenal, the Gunners, is the only big team. The other ones are what? You got it right.
Remember to download the Odibet app and get to win some amount. Zozana Odibet app. Place as little as 49 Kenyan shillings and get to win 50,000 Kenyan shillings weekly. Zozana Odibet app. Bet ni jamo.